Hey, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Zay here and welcome back to another episode of Only Hustle and Game. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how much I got paid out from my 3M shares that I'm holding, and also too we're going to be talking about some of the companies that are doing these stock splits. Now we already know that Amazon and Google were doing their 20-for-1 stock split. Amazon already did theirs, and right now at the time of this recording Amazon is trading around $103, $104, so it's super low right now. Really solid company. I'm dollar cost averaging into it. Let me know in the comments if you guys are also as well. But there are two other companies out there that have talked about doing these stock splits, and we're going to go ahead and dive into that. But first off guys, let's go ahead and take a look at that 3M position and how much we got paid out in dividends. So if we go over to my Fidelity account and we take a look at the activity on there, we can see that I received $75.62 in dividends. That was for 51 shares. Even though I do now hold 54 shares, it was just the fact that the ex-dividend day cutoff was at 51 shares. So with that guys, I went ahead and bought one full share of Coca-Cola, putting me at 3 shares of Coca-Cola, and I put the other $17 that was left over, and I went ahead and got me right at 54 shares of 3M. And so that right there guys is the power of reinvesting your dividends, the DRIP, dividend reinvesting program, whatever the acronym is short for. But that guys, over time you can see how the power of the snowball effect starts turning into play. A lot of people like to reinvest back into the same company, but me personally, I like a little bit of diversification. Since you guys already know, I get that 15% discount for being a 3M employee, and so I do right now have it like to where 5% of my paycheck is going into it. I used to do 10%, but that's just a little bit too much. With the market pulling back right now, 3M stock is around $130 something. We can take a look at it, $136. So I'm getting it around 116, 118. So I'm picking up quite a few shares and getting that cost basis even down further. Solid company guys, great dividend safe haven. So that's what I went ahead and did with that right there. Just wanted to keep you guys updated on that. 54 shares right now, so I got about cost basis wise, it is not updated yet, but quite a few thousands of dollars in there. So anyways, let's go ahead and talk about these new companies guys, these companies that are doing these stock splits. So right here guys, Nintendo announces a surprise 10-for-1 stock split and expects sales to fall 9% for their overall company. Now this was published on May 10th, so this is a little bit old, but I really thought that it was pretty cool that a company that's in the gaming sector is announcing a stock split. Now, we already know that there's been a lot of chip shortages for a lot of the consoles out there, PCs and stuff like that. So, of course, that affected Nintendo a lot, and kind of their flagship console right now had been the Switch, which was pretty popular and has been pretty popular, but it's not really on the competing level with something like the PS5 or the new Xbox. So although it's not on that level, Nintendo is still remains somehow a very popular choice for a lot of gamers, and overall people like it as a company. So even though the stock itself has not performed so hot over the last few years, few months and stuff, and especially with everything going on, a lot of these stocks aren't doing too good right now. But they did talk about potential plans to launch a new console, something to kind of hopefully take their stock up and do something new for the company. So that's exciting to see. 10-for-1 guys, that's pretty nice right there. Also too, another one we're going to be talking about is Tesla. So it had already been rumored that Tesla was looking to do a stock split. I believe it was somewhere around 5-to-1, but right now it just says right here in this article, this was updated today, that they filed an annual proxy statement with the SEC revealing plans for a 3-to-1 stock split. Now I do believe that in the annual shareholders meeting there will be voting on it. I don't know if this is set in stone for this 3-to-1, but right now if you look at the current trading price of Tesla, we can see that it is at $653.16, and the market is open right now guys, so this is like live of the price. So right there, if you did a 3-to-1 stock split, you'd be picking up around $215, $220, somewhere around there for each individual share. And you guys already know how I feel about Tesla. It's in the EV sector and it's a banger of a company. Elon Musk is a great CEO. I believe in Elon Musk. I know there's a lot of things going on right now amongst the company, as far as like there had been talks about like discrimination, things like that, things that we're not cool with. So that definitely, of course, too, has played an effect on the company, as well as things with the models, with the autonomous driving, things like that. But overall guys, a lot of these big blue chip companies, these blue chip stocks have taken a major hit in the tech industry overall, the overall stock market in general. You know, we already talked about interest rates, inflation, everything going on in Ukraine, things like that. So a lot of people are having FUD, you know, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And so a lot of people aren't wanting to put their money in the market. And, you know, if you are a long-term investor, guys, then getting your hands on these great solid companies at the prices that they are now, guys, you will definitely be thanking yourself in the next, you know, 3 to 5 years. I sure hope not that it's going to take 3 to 5 years for the market to recover overall, but hopefully, guys, when we get out of this mini recession, whatever you want to call it, whatever we're in right now, it definitely is a bear market, it definitely is a free fall market. But when we start getting back onto a bull run, you definitely would be thanking yourself that you went ahead and continued sticking to the game plan by dollar cost averaging into your strong convictions and the solid companies out there such as Amazon, Google, Tesla, Apple, things like that. And so I'll show you guys again, like live right now. I mean, I'm down a lot. I'm down 10% on the day, 24% this past week. So, you know, it's definitely, my portfolio has taken hits, but I'm sticking to the game plan, guys, and I'm continuing to dollar cost average into these solid companies because I know long term what I'm looking for when it comes to like retirement and things like that. I'm definitely gonna be thanking myself now that I continue to stick to the plan and I, you know, weathered through all of the different market conditions that went on with all the volatility and stuff, you know. So time in the market is better than trying to time the market. Always remember that. But yeah, guys, just wanted to keep you updated with that. You got two companies out there that we hadn't covered yet, Nintendo and Tesla, with these stock splits that are going to be happening. So if that's something that interests you, definitely do your research, your due diligence, check it out and see if it's something right for you, if you want to kind of invest into them before the stock split happens, or what are your plans? I mean, are you looking for it to happen first? Something like Amazon, guys, if you would have waited until it split and then waited for a little bit of these market pullbacks, I mean, right now you could be picking up shares of Amazon at $103, $105 right there. So that's pretty good versus where it usually was at, trading in the, you know, almost 3,000s at one point. I think it was over 3,000 for Amazon. But anyways, with that being said, guys, don't get discouraged. You know, stick to the game plan. Remember why you started investing in the first place. And if you have not yet started your investing journey, definitely check out the links in the description below. I got links to Webull, ROBINHOOD. I mean, there's a lot of great free stocks out there that you can get. There are solid platforms that can start your investing journey, and Webull especially, guys, they're offering crazy promotions where you can literally get free money. So if you're needing money, if you're wanting to get some free stocks and start this investing journey, then sign up using my link in the description below. And when you do, you'll get all those free stocks. I've gotten stocks of ADT, General Electric. I've literally seen people get a free stock of Amazon. No kidding. I'll try to find the picture, the screenshot of that and upload it, but people have gotten free stocks of Amazon, and that was before the split. So that's like $3 grand right there, you know what I'm saying? So that was really awesome to see. So, you know, there's good things that can happen, guys. Just you know, try to weather through the storm and remember, stick to the game plan. Now, with that being said, guys, it's your boy Zay here, bringing you only hustle and game, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. All right, peace.